Okay, so I've got one of the, I don't know what to call it, one of the sides, I guess, just attached. So what I've been doing is I'm using Quick and Thick because I have a time crunch. So I've been putting the Quick and Thick, what I did in the last one, or the first one, was I put a little bit of Quick and Thick in spots, and then I'm actually using hot glue so I can get a fast set. Now I think I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put in some glue blocks that I have for furniture, and I'm just going to stick them in there to reinforce this edge. It's about 15-minute cure time, so the Quick and Thick is quick, but I'm going to need to handle it a fair amount. So I'm going to go cut other components and try and get the stabilizer. There's a piece that does go across at some point, and so I need to get that in there to help reinforce these sides so they don't twist off. Okay, so I had to use my cordless nail shooter, and I had to add some trim just to reinforce these sides. I'm under a time crunch. That's why I'm trying to do everything so quickly. So I got to get some filler in here, and there's a couple of nails that shot through. So I need to make sure they're not too pointy to touch. My Dremel those, but they're not too bad. So yeah, the work progresses. I need to knock off these corners, and I need to put in the deck up here. So I attached this and I tried to kind of carefully shoot some nails in. There's one that's kind of out there. There's another one that just barely escaped containment, but overall not too bad. So I cut some angles onto the edges to match this up better, and I got it just shot on. And now I need to figure this part out and get that stick thing coming out of here, and I have to trim the ends over there too. Okay, so speed is of the essence here. So I'm going to do the trick where I put a little bit of real glue. Oh God. A little bit of real glue on the wood for wood stuff. And then I'm going to do a little bit of CA glue. I'm going to put the accelerator on there. Try to center it. And then that's locked on. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to repeat that all the way down the line here. Okay, so I put in a panel here. There's one under here. It was they were supposed to be the same length, but they're not, or width. And so I ended up with this. But thankfully, this fits pretty well just to put an extra piece here. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grind these back and just round these corners. And these are solid wood, so that should work pretty well. All right, there's that part of it. I just need to do the the donuts, and then the thing that comes out of here, and then it's paint time. Okay, so I have to figure out the good side. That's probably the good side. I have to use the glue again with the super glue trick because I can't get under here, and I think these are too thick for maybe they're not. I got some 2-inch nails. So maybe I will try to shoot them on with my my awesome rigid 18 gauge. The nails are a little bit longer, and then they overdrive some. So I think this will work at least to hold it while I glue it, and then we can just get some paint on there. So let's do this.